Auto malkhungo bas malkhungo buri busarok sak motok tona najangmani yak suluk muluk Romkhere Sokphere Khwlaijakkmani abo katal ko ya salbrum no krengsawo koktoma blai phio kangke social media nakhi hangke nukjago buri busarok umorsok ya buri rok Romkhere Khwlaijakkmani hai buri sikli khoroksa Twiprajwk Nagarjulani simi Bisingo thang tongmani bas malkhungbai ajurabo bishal gor amchayo sala khoroksa bai sak motok sak suluk muluk Romkhere Khwlaijakkha Patimongo Shawimanka Twiprajwk Guwahati wo rungsringdi tongoyo bo khorsa rungsringnajak Mia Guwahati ni tini Twiprajwk phaimani tini Nagarjulawo bas kawi Bisingo baithani kamiwo thang tongmani master parawo phiaba ajurawono sala khoroksa bas malkhungo kawi bishalgor amchaya sopake kono sak motok suluk muluk Romkhere Khwlaijakkha bas malkhung borok kwbangma phiaba kebo bini bagi khorang tisana krei jotono thunai haike mang tongbakha ajurawono shebono Twiprajwk burino shebru tugui wansa sala Romkhere yak suluk muluk Khwlaijakkha patima ni yagulo buri kabi tongibo kebo khorang thajebo sana krikha yagulo bishal goro ongkhur toloka lupchachila olo hangke nokne borongno tei police no tei baithangni bayapno phun khaimani bai Bisingo malkhung bas Khwlaijakkha aboni yagulo patima thayo phaisopeka Sipaijola hangkor police tei amchani lokorok bas malkhung bathagrubai urpati oi thangka nainadi chini mangpiriwo
Bar mana pulang kan ke ang asam tu dah ya ke hari ya
kamu juga saksun nak
kamu juga saksun kan iko mana ang punya ni kita kaya ni ko hati punya ni tu ba mai ko sa ke ba si mai tu saka di bolo he pun olen kha dan ke garu ka wati ko waka ke gari ka pa ke bisa mu tu lama hai ka mu tu to ai exactly right su ya tapi lu sheman tong ka sense tong ka ke thui dong ka mana mu tu lai su ya ke ang ga selama tong pura to thui dong ke ha ke thui dong ka ke gari ko dang kan ba ta kam sema ya achala hap ya an ya hai ko long jam ka biskang ni bo ke hai ko long jam ke achala ni town part ko ta main part ko an long hai lang ni dong ke ang hai ka to lu betul sa hai ko phai kan ke ang len ko su sa ke ni pek ko ko pek yang aku nak hai khai orang tak pek khai dong kan semua hai ko phai ke ang to
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norogni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi faika St. Joseph Hospital West Nobadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasani fatara thaya karinyo hayung bermni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki suti cough test khairni bagai nangmashak shep shap tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abo simia o St. Joseph Hospital lo talburum na Chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarok no phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarok ni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najungni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebasina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala, is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khwlaijakkha St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo Kubuni Hospital login sulai oro kisa rangbaino kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo Taibo kaham kai saimanna ni bagai tin hospital of hai visit khalaimano hambai